This video will be a complete guide on how to do data collection using Epicollect5, which is a free-to-use tool. This is especially useful in field surveys where we have multiple data collectors. Basically, Epicollect5 has two parts, or a web application and a mobile application. But currently, only the web application supports questionnaire building or form building. Thus, we have to make our questionnaire online using a laptop or a desktop, and then the data entry can be done through our mobile phone. So, we will discuss about the web application first. To open the web application, just type in Epicollect in your browser, then click on it. Here you will come to this screen where there is a login button on the right top corner. Just click on login and use your Google account to log in. Once you're logged in, you will see that there are two extra options, that is My Projects and Create Projects. If we are using Epicollect for the first time, there will be nothing in our My Projects and we have to create a fresh project. While creating a fresh project, first we have to give a name for our project. Suppose I give project 123, it says that the project already exists. So we always have to give a unique name that doesn't exist in the Epicollect 5 database. Then you can always give a small description, what is the project about, and a survey name, which will come in the name of the survey or the questionnaire you are creating. Here below, you see that there is an access. It can be private or public. Private means only the persons who you approve can do data collection or be the manager of this form. Public means anybody can enter data. So you create the project and we land up in this page. We can either build the form now, the questionnaire now or later. If you want to do it now, click on OK, open form builder now. Here you can see an interface where we will be making the questionnaire. On the left column, you have multiple types of questions which has different attributes. In the middle column is where we drag and drop these uh, questions to build our questionnaire. And on the right column, you can see that there are different attributes which can be filled, like what will be the question. Suppose this is a text box, so what is the name? And we can click answer is required and validate this input. So this becomes a question. I will actually show all the different types of questions in a project which I have created earlier. So we'll just go back and we see that this my projects has all the projects that I've made. So project 1239 is the one we made now, and I also have a project which I had created earlier. So we'll just go to it to see the different types of questions and learn about it. So we click on the details, and here on the dashboard we see a option called form builder. We just click on it and it shows the questionnaire or the form we have built earlier. So first, I will introduce each and every type of questions to you. So every question, the mobile format, what you will see in the mobile will be shown on the right side of the video. So first is a text question. Then comes numeric, it's self-explanatory. If we require the answer as numbers, we need to put as numeric question. And the next question is a phone. Phone is for taking contact numbers. And date, time is self-explanatory. So coming to religion here I have put it as a drop-down question. So it basically is a drop-down which has only a single answer that can be selected. Both drop-down and radio is a single answer type question. So you can only select one answer. So you should put questions which only require a single answer. In checkbox, the question is sources of drinking water. If suppose a household has more than one source of drinking water, we need a checkbox type of question to be put there so that they can select multiple answers. Next is a search type of question. Here you see there are a lot of options. So if there are multiple like 10, 20 options are there, it will be difficult for the user to scroll down and see all the options at first. So it is easier we give a search question there so that they can search their option and then select it. Here also there is an option for multiple answers or a single answer. Next is a text box. It is simply a writable form. It supports up to 1,000 characters. So README is basically useful in giving instructions to the form fillers or the data collectors. And the next comes location. It's for geotagging. You can get latitude and longitude. Then you can add different photo, audio, video, barcodes, etc. So it is self-explanatory, I feel. So group and branch, there is a little bit of explanation required. So group is basically if you want all the questions to be shown on a single page during data entry. This is a group that I have created. This is for learning purpose only. So you can put similar questions. Do you have chronic health conditions? Are you currently taking any long-term medication? And have you been hospitalized? These are all related questions we want in a single page. And there is one more thing, that is a jump question. Jump is like after this question, do we need to jump to some other question or continue in that same pattern itself? So have you ever smoked tobacco? I have set a jump here. If the answer is no, there is no point in asking what age did they start smoking or do they currently smoke, because they have never smoked tobacco. So in that way, we can set up jumps between our questions also. Coming to branch. So branch is useful if you want repeatable data. We want data of different individuals in the household. So there is a household that is our parent data. From there, we are taking branches of the individuals and taking their details. Suppose we want name, age, and gender of all the individuals in the household. So we can use the branch function in our project for this purpose. There is also child forms. This is particularly useful. I'm not going to detail into it. It is particularly useful when you have follow-up kind of data. So this is how you make the questionnaire in the form builder that is available in Epicollect 5. So now we'll be talking about how we can add the project in mobile and do data entry. Here I'm just opening up my mobile application. So even in phone, we follow the same pattern. So we open up the Epicollect app. Here we have to log in first using our Google ID. The same procedure as in web application. Once we are logged in, we have to add our project into it. So the project name I had given to my project was this. So I just type in the project name and then search for it. It will automatically load my project. After loading the project, you just have to click on the project, and for entering a new data, you have to always click on add entry. So whatever questions we had created in our form in the web application, it comes as same as that. So here we give our household ID as H1. This is the first household we are visiting. The name of the head of the family can be given here. Suppose it is Robin. Age is 20. And the contact number is something like this. You can select the date. This will be for date. This will be the format. So this will be the format for drop down box. You can select answer. Then you can select gender. So here is a type of a checkbox. Here you can select multiple answers. And if you have like different languages that need to be selected, or this is like a search box, here also we can have multiple options. This is just a text box. supports up to 1000 characters. And this page, as I said, it can be given as an instruction medium. This is readme. This is geotagging. So geotagging appears like this. Just have to click on update location. You have to give the permissions in your phone, and it will be updated. This is like for questions, and if you want all the questions to be in a single page, you have to give group. So supposedly this is required, so we have to do. So this is for if we had given skip. So this skips one question. So this is like this. If the answer is required, you would always have to give the answer, and then you just click on save entry. Here you can see that your entry has been done, but it's not still uploaded. So you have to upload it separately. So you just click on upload and just click the upload data button. And you can see that now all entries that we made through our phone has been updated in the web. To see the data, we just go to my projects, then we see view data, and again click on the view data. In the view data, we can see that H1 Robin 20. This we kept as title, and we had made this entry. You can click on the view icon here, eye icon here, and you can see all the entries that has been made. To download or export the data, you just click on download button here, and you can download in CSV or JSON form. You just click on download, and the download will proceed. So if you want, if you have geolocations, you can also click on the map. It will show you the location you have marked also. So this is basically everything about Epicollect 5. I hope you understood, and if there is any doubts or concerns, please comment below and I will try to clear.